Thank you for your interest in asphalt management. Nearly 31 years ago, we started this company as a small family business. What began as a local seal coating and striping operation has grown into a full-service asphalt paving company with a team of over 40 employees. From commercial asphalt paving and infrared repair to crack filling, seal coating, striping, concrete, and snow and ice management, we handle all of your parking lot needs. With 6 divisions, Asphalt Management is your one call, one contractor, covering everything from start to finish. We believe in strong family values. Our employees are our greatest asset, and we're committed to supporting them so they can deliver their best on every project. To me, quality work means having the knowledge and experience to do the job right and the confidence to stand behind our work as contractors. We stand behind a handshake and follow through on what we agree to because professionalism matters to us. Our goal is to provide the highest quality work on every parking lot so our customers trust us and continue to call us for all their asphalt and concrete needs. We're proud to be part of this community. Our team has been working together for many years, with some being here over 20 years. We all share the same values and commitment to doing things the right way. We believe a handshake still matters. We've been working with families in this community for 3 generations, and now we're proud to be shaking hands with their sons and daughters.